Check out the price over here. I go and click on Have a Coupon Code, and I paste my coupon code and hit Enter. As you can see, I save $50 by just entering a coupon code. You can do the same by clicking the link in my video description. After clicking the link, it will redirect you to this page. Here you will get a coupon code that will help you save money on whatever hosting plan you need. You will click on the copy button. After some loading, you will come to this page. My coupon code works in every country, in every plan, no matter which currency it is. So over here, I go with the unlimited plan. I click on Choose Plan, and after some loading, you can see the total pricing. I click on Have a Coupon Code and paste, Enter. I save $50. It's that simple. And this coupon code also works for the 24-month plan and the 12-month plan. Hostinger is one of the best hosting platforms out there and provides various plans tailored to your needs. They are known for exceptional value, reliable servers, and 24/7 support to keep your website running smoothly. For more information, click the link in the video description.